Have you ever wondered what makes a sheet of corrugated iron able to withstand scorching heat up to 40 degrees Celsius? And how does a factory transform a roll of raw steel into the protective layer for millions of roofs? Today, we'll step inside the production line to explore the entire journey of creating a complete heat-resistant corrugated iron sheet from raw steel to the durable, shiny finished product you see today. If you enjoy videos exploring the technology behind familiar materials, hit like and subscribe to the channel now. Now, the journey begins in the most unexpected place, the giant steel warehouse.
These are the base steel coils, the most important material determining the strength and lifespan of the roofing sheet. Each coil undergoes rigorous inspection before being fed into the production line. Thickness inspection, tensile strength inspection, and especially surface cleanliness. A robotic laser scanning system will classify and determine whether the steel coil meets the standards, because the quality of the base steel accounts for up to 70% of the product's strength and heat resistance. Once all parameters meet the requirements, the steel is moved to the next stage, and here it will be cleaned as preparation for a transformation. For the plating and paint layers to adhere properly later, the steel surface must be absolutely clean. The steel is passed through multiple tanks of degreasing, chemical washing, and high-temperature drying. This process is like a thorough washing before putting on its heat-resistant coating. If the surface is not clean, the paint will peel off, the plating will easily oxidize, and the sheet metal will not be able to provide the desired heat insulation. And once it is cleaned down to the micrometer, the steel will move into the most important technological center of the entire factory. This is the heart of the production line. The steel is coated using hot-dip galvanization technology at temperatures up to 600 degrees Celsius. Depending on the product type, the factory will apply zinc or an aluminum-zinc alloy coating to increase heat reflection, protect against solar radiation, and prevent rust. Magnetic sensors continuously measure the coating thickness to ensure every centimeter meets the standard. This coating is the first line of defense against heat and weather. But to keep the sheet metal truly cool, a second layer of protection is needed, a special high-tech paint. This is the secret to keeping roofs 5 to 15 degrees Celsius cooler than regular corrugated iron. The galvanized steel then goes into a continuous roll coating line, where the surface is coated with a primer coat, an infrared reflective paint coat, and a final protective layer. Each layer is baked at 200 to 250 degrees Celsius to ensure perfect adhesion and gloss. The heat-reflective properties of the paint help limit the absorption of solar radiation, keeping the space underneath significantly cooler. And after this heat-resistant coating is completed, the steel is ready to move on to the shaping stage. This is where flat steel is transformed into the familiar corrugated sheet metal. The rolling mill, with its 15 to 20 rollers, continuously bends the steel to the required shape, height, and stiffness. The corrugated shape not only improves drainage, but also increases stiffness and dissipates heat more effectively. The steel is rolled at a speed of 40 to 60 meters per minute, producing beautiful, uniform, and millimeter-precise sheets. But the journey doesn't end there. Before being shipped, the sheets must pass extremely rigorous tests.
The corrugated iron sheets are cut to customer specifications, then wrapped in scratch-resistant PE film and securely packaged. Finally, they are loaded into containers and ready for shipment to anywhere, from large construction projects to small rooftops. And now, let's look back at this remarkable journey. From a coil of raw steel to a finished heat-resistant roofing sheet, it's a journey of temperature, technology, and precision. The next time you see a roofing sheet,
you'll know that behind it lies a sophisticated and meticulously calculated engineering system. If you'd like me to make more inside the factory videos like this, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.